The integration of PIM MARKETPROVIDER with Google Sheets allows for automated data transfer from the PIM system to Google Sheets. So, let's take a look at how it works. We log into our account and go to the Channels section. We select the pre-configured Google Sheets channel. The user can send data to different Google accounts in Google Sheets. To do this, the user must log into their Google account and choose the account they wish to use. Then, they need to specify the name of the connection, provide a link to the Google Sheet, and select a category in the PIM system. We check the linking of attributes between the PIM system and the configured Google Sheets. Note that through operation settings, we can transform attribute values from the PIM system into the required values for the content recipient. We click the Start button for the channel. We go to Google Sheets and see how our data is being uploaded. Allows for easy integration of data with other tools and systems that support working with Google Sheets. Google Sheets can be a part of an automated workflow, including tasks related to distribution, filtering, and enriching data.